Hello there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to report cash income without 1099 in TurboTax. Let's dive right into it. If you've been freelancing, doing handiwork, or running a small side hustle, you know how important it is to report all your income, including cash, to stay on the right side of tax regulations. Not having a 1099 form for these earnings can be a bit daunting, but don't worry. Today, we'll guide you through the entire process of reporting cash income using TurboTax, so you can file your taxes with confidence and ease. First, let's get started by heading over to the TurboTax official website. It's a popular choice for many people when it comes to filing taxes online because of its user-friendly interface and straightforward process. So open up your preferred web browser, type in the TurboTax website, and hit enter. Once you're on the site, look for the sign-in option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can easily create one by following the on-screen prompts. It's important to have all your information organized and ready to go for the following steps. Now that you're logged in, navigate over to the Tax Home. This section acts as your personal dashboard for all tax-related activities in TurboTax. From here, you'll be able to manage and access various sections of your tax return. Once you're in your tax home, you'll see an option for the TurboTax Free Edition. This is particularly useful if you're reporting straightforward income, such as cash earnings, without the complexities of investment or business income. Click on it to start or continue your tax return journey. Once you're in, it's crucial to ensure that any previously entered information is accurate. To do this, click on the Review Edit option to go through your details. This is a perfect opportunity to correct any errors or update information that might have changed since your last visit. With this initial review completed, the next step is to go to the My Info section. Here, you'll verify personal information like your name, address, and social security number. This step is vital, as any inaccuracies can affect the validity of your entire tax return. Next, let's navigate to the Federal section. This is a key part of the process as it encompasses your overall taxable situation. Once you're here, look for the Wages and Income link. Click on it to start detailing your income for the year. When you reach this section, TurboTax will provide a rundown of different income categories. Since you don't have a 1099 for your cash jobs, you'll need to categorize this income separately. Follow the prompts on the screen to add your cash earnings. Remember to be as precise and detailed as possible to ensure everything is reported accurately. By diligently following these steps, you've successfully reported your cash income without needing a 1099 using TurboTax. This not only keeps you in good standing with the IRS, but also ensures your financial affairs are in order. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to report cash income without 1099 in TurboTax. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.